Hello, my name is Joe Dengel. I'm with Esco Corporation under the Weir Group. This is the Ultralok Tooth System. It's been around for quite a while, but now we have in the U60 size a wear cap, which still maintains the streamlined flow of material. But what's nice about Ultralok is that it's the only true hammerless tooth system. Just take your pry bar, put it in, use grooves, which are easily, you can remove your fines from. Use the pry bar, no hammers, and remove the tooth system. Install is easy as well. Just use your pry bar, put it underneath the little groove. When you hear the click, you're done. What's also nice about Ultralok and Esco is that it's all about alloys and steel and quality. The consistency that Esco delivers and the high hardness, high through hardness, this is a tooth system that'll last you a long time, and it's designed and engineered to do that.